How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. You hear that in the car? There's a spinning sound and it changes according to the speed of the fan. 7, 8, like if you go 10, like you can't hear it anymore. But anyway, there's something stuck in there. If you have a Model 3, it's gonna start smelling. Usually in the summertime for some reason. I think the condensation just gets kind of warm and then it smells like garbage or like feet or something. It comes out of here. It's really bad. So you're gonna have to replace this. I have 2 filters here and a evaporator and heater foam cleaner. The filters are over there and you're supposed to spray that foam cleaner in there. Let's open it up and see. Let's take off the bottom piece first. There's these clips that you just gotta pull back. So I got some stuck in here, so I can just carefully take it out and put it back on. I got another one right here. And put it back on. And I got a piece right here, another piece right here. So the middle two, right here, right here. Here's the whole piece. Let's remove that. Move this out of the side. I'm gonna remove this little panel here. I'm just gonna use my nails and take that little bolt out. Got 1, 2, 3 right here. 4th one. It's loose everywhere else, but not there. So you just gotta push it in that way a little bit. See, there's a little catch right there. Now this will come off. I've got one of these security bit sets. It says P20, Torx 20. Now the screw opener is right there. The panel was right here, so you really do need to remove that panel to gain access to this Torx screw. So you can open this panel up to remove that filter. Here we are. Let me connect it to a adapter piece here and also to a wrench and set it to unscrew. Just unscrew the rest of it by hand so I won't lose the screw here. There we go. That's the screw right there. So let's see here. I'll pull it open. Let's set that over there. There's a tab. That's the upper tab. Let me remove this one at a time. First tab. The access panel is like right here and it's going right into the access panel, so you really do need to remove it. So one of them, the direction is to my left. So the air is going in that way and all the dust should be on this side. And this side does look pretty dirty. This one you gotta pull up and pull it out. Also very dirty. Let's go take a look in there and see what's going on. To my right is where the filters go, to the left is where the evaporator goes. What does this cleaner stuff look like? Well, let's open it up. A can of foam, and you got a little applicator, a long piece of tubing, so you can put it in there and squeeze it all over the place, over the evaporator. Attach this guy on here. The foam's coming out already. Oh, okay. We want to do that in there, not out here. I'm just gonna spray blind going in there. Now we'll check our progress by looking what the heck I did. Did I spray it on there? Sort of. I'll start at the beginning side and then I'll go in 1 inch, up, down, go in 1 inch, up, down, go in 1 inch, up, down, go in 1 inch, 1 down, and then I'll make my way back by pulling it out. Oh, that's it. Not that much comes out. Like it all came out within like, I don't know, 15 seconds of pushing here. There's nothing left here now. Now let's check our progress. I can't really stick my head in there, so I stick the camera. I feel like I should get some of that from the bottom and spray it up higher, or like scoop some of it up and put it up there, I guess. Let me try to do that. So I'm gonna do a scooping motion and apply. Trying not to damage anything because this is a metal ruler. You probably shouldn't do this yourself. You should just apply it directly straight with the foam. Am I getting any? These are fairly cheap filters. They are in the same shape at least, but they do have activated carbon right at the end, and they look like this. Cabin air filter for Model 3. This one in particular, it comes with this tool. This is like to remove those little clips. I should have opened this and used this. And then there's this torque screw. It makes it so that you don't need this guy. Now this filter has a thing called front direction indicator. Is this the front of the car, or is it gonna have to follow the same convention as this guy where it's pointing towards the condenser? Is it supposed to go like that or like that? To the best of my knowledge, it's probably like this. Why? Because these tabs are on the top. If I face it this way, the tab is on the bottom, and this would get stuck inside that hole because you got to push this down. So it needs to be high up after you push it down, and the other one needs to be the same. So it's weird that this thing says front direction indicator, which is front of the car, I believe. Instruction says locate the evaporator, spray everything in it, and then let the foam work for 15 minutes. Then turn the AC fan on low setting for 5 minutes. The foam will turn into liquid and drain from the evaporator box just down below the car, removing the contaminants and odor. This is underneath the car. A few minutes after I sprayed, the evaporator is like right around over there. A little bit is dripping down below. I have some cat litter there just to pick up some of the motor oil from the car I had before. But yeah, it's already dripping down there. All the contaminants getting removed. The fan has been blowing for about 5 minutes, and it seems like the foam all dissipated. Looks fairly clean, as much as I can do. And that's the dripping right there. It's being absorbed by all the kitty litter. Doesn't seem much. Now we're gonna try to reinstall the filter. Stick one in here. I gotta grab this little thing so I can sort of kind of balance it. So I'm holding on to this little ribbon piece here. Okay, so we got that one. Now let's put in the second one. It goes a little bit better if you're going from the back of this piece of speaker wire. Go there. All right, so it's in there. Seal the little ribbon back in there. And that little screw, thread it a little bit first. Okay, that's tight enough. We're gonna test out if this is working. Turn it all the way up to 10. Low in the middle, low at the feet only. Slight whistle sound, but I never turn it up that high. It's on 10. Sounds okay. Sounds like everything's working fine. Let's put the panel back now. Squeeze this back in here. There's this plastic hook here that you want it to go through this little square. Let's do that. Go through that square. Pull it back up. Then we put back these little pins here. One goes here. One goes here. 2. One goes here. 3, 4. Now all we have to do is put this panel back. Put this guy back onto this hook here. This one goes in this hole. Do it with this guy first. So put that in there. Okay, and then this one. And then this one. And then okay. Once you align like 3 or 4 of them, it pretty much just aligns itself. So now we got it all back, and we'll put the carpet back right there. And we're done. Haven't done it. I think it's pretty easy, but I think I didn't apply the foam as accurately as I wanted to because I wanted to film at the same time. Next time I might put like a snake camera in there, get some good view so that I can apply it evenly all over the evaporator. I'll leave an affiliate link down in the video description below with the evaporator cleaner foam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe for more.